Akshara. I'm here to talk about the advanced pharmacovigilance training program I did at MediPharm Solutions. It's a 3-month duration program which has modules that are split into core modules, self-learning modules, and Argus database modules. The core modules mainly focus on concepts like adverse drug reactions, how do we do triage, what is meta coding, narrative writing, and workflow states, etc. Self-learning units are about the history of pharmacovigilance, the terminologies that are commonly used in pharmacovigilance, and the drug development process. And coming to Argus database modules, it is to make us understand what Argus database is like when we do case processing and how actually a case goes through the workflow states in the Argus safety database. So I attended all the live sessions during the 3-month period, and what I felt was the instructors were very much knowledgeable and qualified, and they have a very realistic way of approach when making us understand the concepts. And the course structure is pretty much simple. We have access to the recordings and modules throughout the course. We always have the opportunity to go back, revise, and do notes. We also have quizzes which we can do with each of the modules, which help us with the interviews. So by the end of 3 months, I can say that I have a better understanding of what drug safety is, and I'm much more confident in applying for jobs. And yes, I definitely would recommend MediPharm Solutions to whoever want to pursue a career in the drug safety industry. Thank you.